Hey guys, it's me again. Yeah, it turns out there is a second part of the storm. I just saw an incredible bolt of lightning right where the camera's focused at. Holy crap, it scared the crap out of me. Try not to curse in this one. Well, let's face it, last episode, that was some well-deserved cussing. That was a cool bolt of lightning. I'm glad I got up when I did. Wouldn't have seen it. Just had to turn the computer off and just canceled the session copying the videos. Oh! That shook the house. Such a cool storm. That was bright. There's a lot of it over there. See? Finger, hand. Oh, windy. Oh, lightning. I feel like such an idiot because I only just realized, like, 30 seconds before I started recording, that it was getting really, really dark out. Oh, going upstairs. That's a good idea. Running through the house. Whoa, what happened to the TV screen? What? What? Alright. What happened there? No. Man, I can't believe my mom's not home yet. Well, actually, if she was here, she'd probably... Oh, whoa. That was bright. I changed my mind. I'm not going outside. Going right where any idiot like me would go if there was an... Oh, man. Oh, look at these clouds. Wow. What the heck was that? Look at these clouds. Oh, that's loud. That is so incredibly amazing. You probably can't see it very well. Wow. This is so incredibly awesome. That was lightning. Man. Oh, rain's starting to come down harder. Ooh! What the? Turning out the light makes for a better effect. No, not the ceiling fan. Yeah. This is how to live. Not really. That's the way I went out. Or, never mind. Just shut up. No, I can't see it. Oh, yeah. This rain is preventing me from looking at anything cool. Oh. Sounds like it's right over here. But you never know with lightning. I can't keep track of it. Whoa. Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Keep up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Oh, there's another one. Wow. Yeah, this lightning, man. Coming over here. Move these boxes out of the way. Whoa. Rain to the extreme. I'm not getting near that window because if I get scared, I'm gonna fall. Alright. That's so... Dude, look at the rain on the roof. Oh, whoa. Look at the rain on the roof. Hey, look, you can see the camera light. I think that's the camera light. Yeah. It's just, oh, man. Whoa. It's just blowing off the windows. Look at it down there. Whoa. Oh, man. Oh, lightning. Flash. Another flash. Another flash. Oh, ah. What the freak is going on out there? And another one. What is going on out there, man? Ooh, it's right back there. It's still right back there. Dang it. Going downstairs. Through the back room. Aha! Wow, it's really raining now. Oh, did I just miss something cool? I was looking away. Probably just missed something. Oh! I'm not going outside. Oh! Because of the... You know what happened in the last video. Bright. What the freak is that in here? Oh! Oh my god! Oh! Oh god! I'm turning on some lights. Oh, what? We just lost power. I just saw it come back on. We just lost power. That's why everything was out. Oh, big flash behind me. Oh, another big crack. Ah. My god. What is going on out? What the freak is going on out there? This is an incredibly bad idea. Yeah. Incredibly bad idea. Yeah. I'm not even gonna do that. What's with all the loud lights? See? Look at that. Boop-a-doop-a-doo. And zoom. Yeah. Power went out. Not going outside. One, because there's big, loud lightning. And two, it's wet. And I'm in my socks right now, and I don't feel like getting killed or put my shoes on. Probably should have said getting killed second. Ooh. Whoa, 2 in a row. Oh god. This is gonna be loud. This is gonna be loud. Yeah. Wow. Where the freak? It's right over here. And I can't see crap. Have to get in my room again. Oh man, I'm not catching anything good. Except for me being scared like a little girl. Man, I can't see anything. I don't want to go outside. I can't see anything. Don't want to go outside. I'm measuring the risks. Getting something freaking awesome on tape, or dying. Those are my two options here. Getting something on tape, dying. Getting something on tape, dying. Getting something on tape, dying. If you haven't already noticed, I'm taking way too long to debate this. Wow. I love doing this, even though you can't see anything. Man, can't see crap. In my sister's room. What was that? Did I actually catch that? I think I might have actually caught that. I'm making sure that my path is clear. Alright, let's put a pillow right there. If I get scared the crap out of myself and I fall back, there is a safety pillow right there. My room, or my sister's room, whoa, is a mess. Whoa! Whoa! Finding Nemo. Whoa. What the heck was that? Wow. I hope it starts hailing. That would be the perfect mixture. Incredibly awesome and scary lightning. Really hard. Oh! Really hard rain. And to top it all off, quarter-size hail. At least. Quarter-size. Oh, man. It's like right there. What the heck? Man. Running out of space, but this... Oh! Oh my god! I'm hearing crackling noises. That means one of two things. Our house is about to get struck by lightning again, or it's starting to hail. Wow! Whoa! 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 Look! Dang it! For like 5 seconds there was an oh my god, that stopped me right in my freaking tracks. Oh god, it's not even a good idea to be inside. My god. Great Scott, Marty, I think we found our 14 gigawatts. I'm such a nerd. Actually, whoa, not the loud one. Actually, I'm just an idiot. Hands. Wow. Dang it. She has too much stuff in her room. I was expecting that one. Whoa! Oh! Oh my god! Going crazy again. I don't think I've ever gone into hyperventilation before, but if there's anything that has ever caused that, it would be this. My hand's shaking. What was that? That kind of scared me. Man, I only have 4 minutes left. 4 minutes exactly now. 4 minutes. Man, this thing's not gonna be over in 4 minutes. Does my mom's camera have batteries in it? I might just spend the last 4 minutes putting batteries in my mom's camera. Oh, fire whistles going off. Excuse me, gents and gentle ladies. Whoa, loud noises outside. Where do the batteries go? Where's the battery case? Where's the power just went out. Oh God! Just dropped her camera. Alright. Power went out. Great. Now the light... Oh! Now the lights are out, and I'm scared the crap out of myself. I don't even think we have flashlights. This is just great. Please stand... Oh. Maybe not. Whoa. Man. This is scary. Oh. I almost put my foot in a mousetrap. We have a mouse. Would you even like to tell me where I live? I mean, you? Man, I mess up all my jokes. They're all good jokes, too. Excuse me. Come on, power. Power. That's why where is the frickin' battery case? Why is there no battery case on here? Are you kidding me? There's no battery case. Damn. And here comes the lightning and thunder. Alright, man, I have to put this down. I only have a minute and 40 seconds left anyway. I'm so proud of myself. Sorry about my finger. Dang it, get out of the shot. Haven't cursed once this episode. Look how dark it is now. You take the darkness in the camera and then just like multiply it by, I don't know, 1/200th. Oh man, that's not a good spot to lay it down. Oh my God! Oh! The lightning restored our power! Haha! No, I'm just kidding. It probably didn't. Looks like we have our 14 gigawatts. Biatch. Alright. Now I can put it down and continue looking for the frickin' battery case on this thing. Where is it? This is taking me off. What was that noise? Whoa! Lightning. No, thank you. Alright. I am